bourbon is drive-by, rockstar status. I got a lot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring this hair. I've had this hair for a minute. It's from African Princess Hair. This is a new company and they're dropping in June. So I'm going to leave all their information in the description box. I really recommend this hair. Like, honestly, I think this is actually a black owned business and this hair is bomb 100%. I'm going to try to install a clip of I don't think I have a clip of, but basically you guys know how the raw Indian virgin hair come in the, it has the, what is it called? The little tie things. Like, it does not come in a bundle wrap. It comes in zip ties. It's so nice. The hair does not shed. It's so amazing. The lace is so thin. It's like transparent almost. I actually think it's Swiss, but I'm not sure. But it melts amazing. The hair does not shed like that. It's just minimal shedding. And when I say minimal, it's like 1 or 2 shedding. Like, it's insane. I wore this hair for a good I had this hair for a minute now, probably like a good almost month and a half. I wore it for a month because, like, off camera I wear different wigs, but I wore this one for a month and I actually sewed it down and everything. I'm gonna have a video showing you guys how I install and sew this wig down and cut the some of the hair in the back to make so I could wear it in a ponytail. I'm going to show you guys all of this. This hair is amazing. I am going to make a video talking about my favorite curly hair companies, and this curly hair company is already my favorite, but I will be updating you guys on this wig because I'm not going to sell this wig. I mean, all the other companies, the hair are pretty good, but this one, it reminds me of my prom hair. It's so amazing. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how I do thin baby hair, so you guys can pay attention to this. I'm going to play some music because it's really self-explanatory. All I'm doing is taking my tweezers and putting it into the lace. I have a plucking video already on my channel. This one is just a little more intense because we're taking out more hair, but you want to pay attention to where you're plucking because you don't want to over pluck it. I sometimes, when I'm being really messy, not even messy, but sometimes I'm really lazy with it, I don't think about where I'm plucking, and sometimes I kind of over pluck it a little bit and it will get bald, so try to take your time. Also, I do recommend parting out the middle section because you can see right there the middle section is a little bit thicker because I wanted to make sure that I was not making the middle section too thin, because then that's gonna look like you have a bald spot in your middle part. I'm just taking my time with this. I speed the video up, that's why it looks like I'm going fast, but you want to take your time with this. And this is how you're gonna get your most natural looking curly frontal. I recommend doing it like this 100%. I recommend this frontal 100%. This frontal reminds me of my Tropic Touches body weight frontal. It's amazing. Right here, I'm making sure that I'm brushing the hair out. You guys know the drill. I feel like at this point everybody should know about the plucking drill. I'm just showing you guys here what I do to do my thin baby hairs on my mannequin head. And yeah, I'm gonna play some music and leave you guys, and then I'm gonna be right back to show you what product I put in this hair, because this hair doesn't need any product, but when I do use product, one product, low maintenance, ready to go, moisturized, soft. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I did make this wig myself. I think it's a 24, 22 and a 20-inch frontal. I'm not sure. The links will be in my description box. I made this wig myself. If you want to get a wig made, you guys can follow Tropic Touches on Instagram or email me. My email will be in my description box. But my business page is Tropic Touches. This is a custom frontal unit. So if you want to inquire, you inquire for a custom frontal unit. Here, I'm just showing you up close what I'm doing. I'm putting the tweezers into the lace and I'm just pulling back. And make sure you keep going back because you don't want to really stay in the front too much because you're going to pull too much hair out.
Tom makes beats.
This is for my lady and my friend that's who she's not a ghost you. Oh, the way that you move on my thing, girl, it feels so good. Girl, take her tonight or tomorrow, I'll have you calling out my name from me, girl. And I know that you lost for me, girl. Can't be all alone, come around for the night. You got my attention, circle down for the night. You can come and I'll be all yours for the night. You don't have to worry, I'll hold you tonight. Says she want banana, then bananas get big like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palava. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold you. Know your night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. Know the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder. I got baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow. Wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy. Put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason I'll hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand and I'll show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard thing, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve, always straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple. Oh, yeah, yeah. Says she want banana, then bananas get big like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palava. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold you. Know you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. Know the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure.
You guys, this is a quick second part to the video. I'm just going to show you how I make my wigs thicker. Since when I first made this wig, I just used 2 bundles, but I feel like I like my curly hair to be thick. So I was adding the 3rd bundle to the hair. All I did was sectioned off little parts, and anywhere I had free space, I added 2 tracks in the back, and then I added 1 track at the top. So if you want to add more hair to your wig, you can do this method, or I'm just going to make a video as well showing you how to add like 4 to 5 bundles into your wig. But of course it's going to be like probably curly wig because I don't want my straight hair to be too thick, either curly or body wave. But anyways, this is all I'm doing right here is just measuring out the length and then cutting the track. And I'm just doubling the wefts at the back just so I can add more hair in. And this is basically it. I just do the same method as how I would do to sew the wig from the beginning, but just make sure that you're securing this really well. And yeah, you also can use a T-pin to hold the hair down on the other end, but I was just doing this really quickly. And you can see the hair looks kind of wet because I had took it out to wash it, and I washed it and I was like, I want it to be thicker. But I was gonna go wear this hair again tomorrow, the next day, because I'm so obsessed with this hair. I was like, let me just sew this in here and just wet everything so it could blend together and be good. So that's all I did. So I'm just going to play some music and you guys can watch me add some tracks to make the wig fuller.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip riding with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you could. Staticky, yeah, slide by. Body bourbon is drive by. Rockstar status, eyesight. I got a lot of felonies, but